Greetings, greetings, greetings. Me there think about something where Jesus asked Peter. He asked him who fi pay tax, whether a citizen or a foreigner. Make we think about it. And while you are thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 17 from verse 24 to verse 27. After Jesus and him follower them reached Capernaum, the man them will collect the tax for God's house come to Peter and say, the tax where people pay for take care of God's house, your teacher paid, not true? So Peter said, yeah man. When Peter come in your house, before he could have said nothing, Jesus said to him, say, where you think, Simon, the kingdom for the earth, who them collect toll or tax from? Them owner people are foreigner. From foreigner, Peter answered back. So them owner people now for pay tax then, Jesus said. But, because we don't want nobody begs, go down at the sea and throw out your line for catch fish. And the first fish you catch, when you open up your mouth, you are going to find one silver coin. Give them that for me and for your tax for God's house. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.